You can recognize individuals by teaching your OrCam device the faces of people you often encounter. Please make sure that you position yourself approximately 3 feet or 1 meter away from the person and ask them to face you. Press the touch bar, keeping your finger on it for up to 30 seconds. You will hear
Face learning. Please keep holding the bar for up to 30 seconds.
Ask the person to move their head slightly to the left and right, and or put on or take off their glasses. When you have finished learning the face, remove your finger from the touch bar. Then you will hear,
Please name the person in front of you after the beep.
David.
You will hear a playback of the recording and options to choose from.
David.
Touch to confirm adding person, swipe to record again or double tap to abort.
If you need to again record the person's name, swipe the touch bar. To confirm adding the new face, press the touch bar.
David.
After you confirm adding a person, you will hear,
Person added.
Note, learn one face at a time in an area with good lighting and a neutral background. In the settings menu, you can choose the face recognition announcements from among the following options. Known and unknown faces will be announced in manual and in fully automatic modes. Known faces that are in the OrCam memory will be announced in automatic mode. Unknown faces will be identified as a child, a young man or young woman, or simply a man or woman. The device may also announce the number of people it detects in its view. You can set the frequency of face announcements from times ranging from between every 10 seconds to every 10 minutes.